Good morning from the Hilton Bonnet Creek, which is actually almost directly across the street from Disney Springs. So this is sort of a Disney hotel. Fun thing that we did on this occasion is we actually stayed in this hotel. So we get to show you guys what the room looked like and everything. So let's go have a hotel tour of the Hilton Bonnet Creek. I thought maybe the sign would be in my hand. It's not. There it is. It's actually kind of a very large facility, and our room was somewhere around like right there. Here is where the parking garage is, and that's where we had to park, and there are 2 electric vehicle charges in there, but you have to pay for the parking fee, the self-parking fee for the hotel in order to use the chargers. Welcome to the hallway of the Hilton Bonnet Creek. And here we're headed into our room, which actually has a glass outside of it. Oh. I don't know why. Hopefully there's nobody in there. Here is our room at Hilton Bonnet Creek. Welcome to my crib, everybody. Sorry, no lights are on. Here it is. We got the king size bed. It actually has an iHome that we can put our iPhone on, listen to some sweet, sweet jams. If you don't have an iPhone, it's got an auxiliary cable, a couple of plugs on the lamp here. I will be honest, this carpet is like kind of weird to walk on.
It's slippery.
Yeah, it's like slippery. There's something. There's Jen.
I'm never at these tours, but here I am. It is slippery, and the bathroom floor is slippery as well.
Oh. Well, let's check out over here. A corded phone. What is this? 1982. Like this padded headboard here. Some nice lamps. A nice little seating area. There's a nice desk to do some work at. Very nice. I like this. A nice little 32-inch TV. They said that. Well, I think it said that the bottled water was free when we checked in. Maybe because I'm Hilton Honors. So maybe it's free if you're Hilton Honors, but she's like, those waters are there for you. Feel free to take them. But then there's a giant sticker here that says $3 per bottle. I don't know.
Oh no.
Anyway, well, whatever.
I guess we'll find out tomorrow.
Yeah. Here's some coffee maker, which is very nice. Some more plugs on the sides of the lamps over here. Going to show you guys our little view here, which is not spectacular. It's just, how do I, oh no. This is confusing. This is just a view of the woods and the Hyatt over there. Or is that, it was the Wyndham.
That's the Waldorf Astoria, no?
No, that's the Wyndham.
Oh, okay.
The Waldorf Astoria is that away.
And I think, because I was thinking about scheduling us massages tomorrow, and I think that this Hilton shares a spa with the Waldorf Astoria. I believe.
Yeah.
But I don't know.
What's inside here? Is this a refrigerator? Oh, it is. Look, you get a little refrigerator. So one of the things that I disliked about some of the Disney resorts is they don't come with refrigerators.
Pandora.
Oh.
Oh, you get a map. Is this like the all 4 park map?
I don't know. I think it's just like saying, hey, you could do this. Go ride Midway Mania.
I love it.
And then, of course, an ice bucket and a couple of cups down here. Gigantic mirror.
I like that mirror.
Yeah?
I do.
Little closet here with no safe in it. Is there a safe somewhere in this room?
Yeah, I found it over here. Look, it's weird.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
There's the safe for the room.
So the person on this side of the bed doesn't get a drawer that's like in arm's reach.
Oh yeah, you have to go to the bottom drawer.
Oh, what the heck.
Oh.
That's okay.
But this one has 2 full-size drawers on it, right?
Yeah.
But this guy's got control of the jams, so
Oh no, I'm sleeping on this side.
trade-off, right? A little bit extra bedding, an ironing board, some hangers. One of those things that you put your suitcase on.
Called a portmanteau.
Is that what that is?
Isn't it?
I don't know.
I thought that's what it was.
I'm gonna look it up.
Oh.
Let's check out the bathroom. Ooh, the bathroom's really nice.
I love that big mirror.
Look at the size of this mirror.
Yeah.
We could both be seen in this mirror. Hi, everybody.
Also, the toiletries are Peter Thomas Roth, which is some of the skincare that I use.
Wow.
So that's pretty cool.
Oh, and there's like a lighted magnification mirror.
Ooh.
And it has different color lights.
Oh my gosh.
For depending. Ooh.
Blue, why?
Blue,
what does that look like?
that's for what how you do your makeup for if you're at the office underneath fluorescent lights.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh my,
Well,
I need this.
Yeah, I know. I would just take it. It's probably free, right?
No, don't do that.
And then here's the shower. This is a very nice size. Oh, I thought it was a sliding door. This is a very nice, large shower. It's a very strange shower head, but it's nice. This is nice. There's not a seat or anything in here, though.
Let me show them.
Oh yeah.
The actual so they can get an idea of how big it is. But you have like, there's enough room for like at least probably one other person in there. This is a big shower.
It is a big shower.
I kind of thought that was one of those cool shower heads, but it's just a light. This is nice.
It is nice.
Yeah, I like
also,
it.
there's like a picture of the woods here.
Oh.
Why is that there?
It's for serenity.
Oh, you see this though? Here's.
Oh.
Yes, you can see where people have opened the door.
Oh, into
the shower door by how much is warm right there.
Overly critical.
Well, I'm just saying, like.
I love this bed though. Look at how.
Nice.
Uh-oh, hold on. Okay, yes, test it out. You know, you have to jump on it and tell me how comfortable it is.
Sorry. I pull my pants up here.
Get ready. Get ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Oh, that's nice.
It looked really squishy.
Oh no, my belly came out when I was doing that.
Oh, you got
This
too
is nice.
excited. It was
It's a very nice bed. It's clean.
part of the reason why I picked this hotel was for the bed, because there was another hotel that was slightly cheaper that we also looked at. Do you remember which one it was? It was the one by I think it was the Buena Vista. No, the Hilton Orlando.
It was both were Hiltons. There's like 4 Hiltons around Disney Springs. This is the Bonnet Creek Hilton, which is right across the street from like La Nuba, Cirque du Soleil, like that
Downtown
side of
Disney.
Springs.
Oh, okay.
But then on the other side, over by like Earl of Sandwich, there's like 2 other Hiltons. There's
I think
a
that's
really big Hilton that has a convention space.
I think that's the one that we looked at, and
Yeah.
this one was like quite a bit more expensive on the dates that we picked, but I think this one is worth it.
Yeah, it's definitely a lot quieter out here.
Well,
It
in
is
this, I think
further
the
away from
bed,
road, though.
but I think this bed looks more comfortable than any of the other bed pictures. I'm just all about being comfortable when I sleep.
You know what I just noticed?
What?
This is weird, right?
What?
There's like a whole nother table here that you can.
Oh,
What?
you're a businessman. Oh yeah, look at you working.
I'm filling out.
Oh, that reminds me, I'm hungry. Let's go eat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I figured out the bottle of water dilemma. This is the card that they gave us for being Hilton Honor members. And you can see on there 2 bottles of water, and we get free unlimited internet access and stuff like that. So this is everything that we get for being Hilton Honors members.
And we just signed up for that on their website, right?
Yeah.
Like it was just a free.
Yeah, it's free.
Yeah. So if you're thinking you're gonna stay at a Hilton, I would sign up.
Yeah. Here's the main lobby, and this place is huge. And something that I've never really understood about lobbies is why are there so many chairs in lobbies? I've never like sat down and like was it just sitting in a lobby.
Maybe they're waiting for their rooms to be ready.
Oh, that makes sense. Look at these. There's like swimmers everywhere. I guess the theme of this lobby is swimming. Over here to the right is check-in and concierge. And then off to the left is bell services and valet. In the back of the lobby is the hotel bar. And right outside, there's an outdoor section. They've got fire pits. A little bit of an optical illusion going on here. I thought that the door was there, so I was about to come out and be like, but we're outside now. And here's the fire pit. I want one of these for the backyard. Ooh, it's so nice and warm.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah. And this overlooks the lazy river and the pool. It is a very, very large swimming recreation area. You guys know I like to point out the weird things. They've got USB and plugs underneath the benches here inside the bar area.
Oh, that's nice.
So I think this bar is called Myth. Keeping with the swimming theme of the main lobby, they've got all these old style of swimsuits. Do you think somebody actually wore these swimsuits, or do you think they just made them and put them up on the wall? This one kind of looks like somebody wore it.
Yeah.
Just off the lobby is La Luce, and this is their restaurant. And here's the menu for this restaurant. Looks pretty high end. Of course, they do have pizza, so I guess it's not that high end. Nice Italian fares.
Oh, this is the place that I wanted to eat yesterday.
Over here by the elevators, you got 2 different elevators, ones that go up to the different floors, 3 to 10, 11 to 18. But my favorite thing is this wall. Check this out. It's like geodes that they used as tile. Down these stairs just off the lobby is the Harvest Bistro. And because we're staying here, we're gonna have breakfast at the Harvest Bistro with Carly Rae Jepsen. Just kidding, I mean, she's playing on the radio.
can get one more thing. One more thing?
Here's what we got for breakfast. I got some bacon, some sausage, some potatoes, some eggs, and they have an omelet station. One of these omelets is Jen's, one is mine. I got a croissant, and then Jen got very little bacon and eggs and some cheese, it looks like. And then she also got some grapes and lunches. I know we had breakfast here, but here is the lunch menu. It's pretty good. And then right next to it, they've got some watermelon water. And then right next to Harvest Bistro is the fitness club, or the fitness center. Lots of exercise equipment in there. One of the most convenient things about this hotel is how everything is just right off the lobby. So this is Muse, where you can get coffee and pastries and various other sweets. And sandwiches. And they have this entire section of candy by the pound. What are you selling it by the pound? Oh, it's called the candy wall. That's so much fun. Here's some of the sandwiches and pastries and all kinds of other stuff that's available here. That looks delicious. Holy cow.
That's like one of those mystery bars.
Yeah. Look at these fancy Pop-Tarts. And not too far off the lobby, just down a little hallway, is Zeta, an Asian food restaurant. Looks like they've got sushi. Oh, here's the menu over here.
And I noticed that they sell some of these sushi rolls in that little convenience store that we were just in.
Oh. It's very nice.
Yeah.
And then I think that this section of the hotel over here is a convention center. Yeah, you can see there's ballrooms, and this also leads over to the sister property, the Waldorf Astoria. But here is the Disney store. They've got a Disney store in this hotel. Let's see what kind of stuff we can find inside the Disney store. There's a whole section of magic bands, even the millennial pink ones, and the black. You can get all kinds of Disney stuff in here, and whatever else you may have forgotten back home, like some Aleve, or some aloe vera. You can get some Goofy socks here.
I love these.
Yeah, they're fun. It's like desserts. Got some 2018 stuff, and they've got Dooney and Burke bags over here too. Right next to the Disney store, of course, they do sell tickets to Disney inside of there. But there's the fun zone, exciting games and prizes.
It's really cool.
It does, it looks like a party in there. Watch, it's just like, open it up and it's just like, oh, so boring. Whoa. And I like how they're playing Sophia the First in here. This is a pretty, what?
What is that?
I don't know, I think it was Flappy Bird that yelled at us. Is it Terminator? That is frightening.
Oh my gosh.
Holy cow. And then of course Miss Pac-Man and Galaga just chilling over there. If there's one thing that I think of when I think of air hockey, sea turtles.
Oh yeah.
I feel like video games have definitely advanced since we were kids. Like, you have to like whack the ball forward to try to get it all the way up to this. It's called the Dizzy Chicken. So I'm not sure like what is over here. Actually, let's not go down the escalator because that's just meeting rooms.
Oh.
So let's go around the escalator and see what's over there. Here's a little bit of an overview of the pool area. You can see the lazy river goes all the way around the outside of the main center pool, and then there's the main center pool right there with a 0 entry. We came out back so you guys could see. Is this guy just like stealing a bunch of balls that he's finding in the water? I think he is. But we came out back so you guys could see the golf course and all of the water features here. We are just behind the pool. The pool's right there. And there's the Hilton. You can see the stairwell that we just came out of. The escalators were just on the other side of it, and the Disney store was just past those escalators. But it's very nice. Oh, we're going inside the pool. Sorry, I got lost for a second. See, this is why we come down and go exploring around the pool, because you get a different perspective. The lazy river is actually attached to the pool. Here's the word that we saw earlier that says sleep in. Or 2 words, I guess. Oh, it looks like they have private cabanas that you can rent with TVs inside of them, and maybe refrigerators or lockers. This is pretty interesting. It's like a party cabana. I know it's kind of weird for me to be like, there's a hot tub back there without actually showing it, but there are people in the hot tub, and I didn't want to be like, let me just film you while you're in your hot tub. So there's a hot tub over there. Take my word for it. This hotel has no shortage of fire pits. That's for darn sure.
This is so nice.
And they got two really big ones right outside of Beach, which is their outdoor pool bar. It looks like you can get food and everything out here too. Got some menus on the table. These are all just specialty drinks. But maybe on the other side, oh, look, here's the food. The poolside cheeseburger. It's waterproof. And they do have a fun little slide. Yeah, it's kind of strange. It goes into this little tiny pool here.
Huh.
Just on the other side of the bridge is the regular pool. They're not attached though. There's a hut over here where you can buy different floaties and towels and sunglasses and snorkel goggles and stuff like that. So there you have it. That has been our tour of the Hilton Bonnet Creek, and we wanted to give you guys full disclosure. We paid for this hotel room. We had an event last night that we didn't want to drive all the way home, so we just paid for a hotel room near Disney. So we figured this was a nice alternative to staying on property because it is very close to Disney, but it's a little bit cheaper than a Disney hotel. I also thought it was interesting how similar to a Disney hotel this hotel is, where you get like lots of restaurants on property, a big pool, stuff like that, but you don't get the normal perks of a Disney hotel like a Magic Band or early morning hours. So it's kind of an interesting mix between a Disney hotel and a regular hotel. So with that being said, we are off and we will see you guys tomorrow. And now it's time to pay the price.